Yo, what is up? In this video, I will be showing you guys how to add skills to your skill tree here on the dynamic skill tree system that is free on Fab right now. So really quick, I just want to go over the skill tree here and some new updated things that I did. So first thing, I made it so it deletes the save files at the beginning of the game every single time. There we go. I don't know why I froze there. So it does that, close it, open, still there, reopen it, and it deletes. So it deletes all of the save files. But now let's add a new skill. Right now, I'm just going to use the health skill tree widget that I got here. Oh, and another thing that I added was the category text here. So you can see I have it checked. I can uncheck it and it will remove the text there. See like that? I can move this down as well with the offset. Now let's add a new skill here. See skill widgets, WBP skill. Drag this in, size to content, which that should be actually, let me add that real quick. So now whenever we drag in a new skill, it will automatically have the alignment of 0.5 and size to content, which is what we need for the lines here. So they go straight to the middle. So right now you can't change any of the alignments and you can't change the size to content, which is good. So let me delete this one here. I'll drag this one up to the right, anywhere, right there. I like that. Now on this one, let's say, let me see, skill index 6. This is skill index 6. So this one should be 7 on the skill index. And this thing we can say connect to skill index 6 and 7. The category has to be health as well, because this is in the health thing. If it's still not opened, yeah, there we go. Just gotta reopen it. It's a problem with the editor. It's not the project or anything like that. It's just how Unreal works. Maybe I can find a workaround it, but I'll see what I can do about that. Here we go. It's right here. I can move this. Yeah, I click compile every time though, for it to take place. I'll move this back up. I'll see what I can do about that though. The category thing here, because like everything here is on health category, you can't connect like a owner category skill to a health category skill. It won't really work like that. I'll try and fix that in like a later update so it doesn't use it like that. But anyways, for right now, you gotta use the same category as the other skills. But for the name here, I'll just call it skill 1. Just call it skill 1. It's fine. And say we want the required skills. So it doesn't unlock unless we have this skill purchased. So this skill is called this. So you can just copy that name, go into here, required skills, and add that name to it, like so. And right here on unlock skills, we need to get the name of this skill to unlock it, or else it won't unlock. Make sure it is locked as well, or you can, yeah, leave it locked. And for the alt name, I will make this be test, because I mean, it's just a test. So Now that's the widget blueprint part of it. Now we have to go to the skill component and go right here on the on skill purchased events. We have to add a new pin, and the new pin will be called that alt name. So test, and we can just go see the health multiplier. We can just duplicate this, say set test, like so. Yeah, we can just delete this. Don't need that. So the first stage will be number 1. So for this one, I'll just print string as a test really quick. And for the default one, you can for right now, this doesn't matter, but in a later update it might. So if you want like a default value for like a skill, say like for the health multiplier here, the default value is 1. Um so just have like a default value there of whatever it is if you want, just in case. Put in here test 1, go in here test number 2, test number 3. I'll just have 3 for now. So 1, 2, and 3. So it's one thing you have to make sure you do is edit here the new function that we made with the stage variable in it. This is very important, by the way, having the stage integer variable and the switch on int. That's very important because these stages work like show you in here. So this is 125% health. This is 150. So this is stage 1 and this is stage 2. So the default value for this would just be 100% health. So just like the regular amount of health that you would have. But that is stage 1, stage 2, and then this is stage 3 and stage 4. So you get the idea. You get the idea. Anyways, I can click play, start. Oh right, I forgot it deleted all the saved files, so I have to do all of this again. Sorry about that. Should have not done that. That's fine. Let me purchase all of these again. It's very annoying, but it's fine. There we go. 1 right here. See, it printed 1. So it applied that skill when we purchased it. And in here, you can just do whatever you want, because this gets called on begin play here. And if you don't want this, delete the save files at the when it starts the game, then you can just do that. You can do that and see it applies a skill again. It applies all of them. That's pretty much the basics of it. I could go into more depth about some things. I'll talk about the skill widget here, that right here. So at first you might be a little confused how the purchasing works. So there is a couple of ways how it works. So one way is with the, where is it? Let me find it. So it is part of the set icon color. So in here, I'll actually go ahead and add a description to this. That might be better for that. Because right here, see purchase skill when it reaches the time duration. So right now I have it on 0.9 seconds. So this is a different time compared to what's inside of the skill connection widget, which let me open that up. This is a whole other topic as well. So what this is basically the line that gets connected to the skills. See right here, the lines here. That's what these are. So let's see here. So you can see here, this is only used if it doesn't like the purchase line isn't like updated all the way. It'll just finish it. This is like just in case after you purchase it and the line doesn't connect all the way through. And see right here, so the time duration is 1. So whatever you change in here for this, just go down by 0.1 decimal. That's just my opinion. You don't have to, but that is my opinion. But yeah, just whatever you change that to, just make the skill widget one go down 0.1 decimal. All this does is changes the icon color to a bright yellow. As you can see when I click play, if it doesn't crash. My PC lately has been very off lately. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. But you can see here how it's yellow. Right now there's nothing here. I can click purchase and it goes to no color to yellow. For the purchase color here. And that's what this is right here. So you can, if you want like a different color or whatever, you can change that. And also I have, I'm sure you can see I have the unlock image here. So I click play again, open this. As like it plays that little animation there to indicate that a skill is unlocked and purchasable. So if I purchase that skill, purchase this one, see this one I can still purchase. So it's going to have that thing come up. I can still purchase that one. This one I can't purchase. So it's not going to play that animation unless I get the skill points for it. Now it will play that animation to indicate you can purchase that skill. And I also have a little pan and like zoom thing that I made. You can pan out, pan in, move it around. It will just go straight to default whenever you close out of the skill menu. But yeah, that's about it. I didn't mention this earlier, but on these, so if you want this skill to unlock when you purchase this skill, you do not have to have it on the unlock skills here. It will automatically unlock any skill that is that it connects to, unless it has a required skills. And for that required skill, if it's not like purchased, then it won't unlock. So let's say I need this skill purchased in order for this to unlock, which I mean won't work because you would, I guess I have to unlock it from here. But well, actually I do the same thing here with this one. So let me look, I'll delete the save file, you'll see. So I click play, I have to unlock the skill again. So I unlock this. So I don't have a thing there. Just realized that. But for this one up here, it doesn't unlock it because it needs this skill to be unlocked first, or purchased, I mean. So it won't even unlock then. It waits for this skill to be purchased. But then for this one, it will just unlock that one automatically because this one doesn't have any required skills for it. I'll show you right here. Required skills none, because this one connects to it and it doesn't need any other skill to be purchased, if that makes sense. I hope that does. If it doesn't, just leave a comment down below and I'll help out as much as I can, or you can go to my Discord. It will be in the description down below. Now in the skills menu here, we have the skill details. Now before, in the skill widget here on the like hovered and unhovered, I would create the widget, and then on the event take, I would make it move around the mouse. I no longer do that. Now I do this here, where there's only one ever that's actually on the skills menu. And you can see here I have the offset, so you can change the offset from where the mouse is. So basically, just think of this little anchor here as your mouse position, and that's how far away, that's the offset that it will have from it. So I can go like from 50, like a 50-50 there. Compile, save. You can see it has that much of a offset from the mouse position. I don't want that though, so I'm gonna make it back to what I had. It's one thing I did. The skill details thing here, don't worry about that. That doesn't mean anything right here.